Okay, we're here doing a residential home. This area, very soil here. We're doing a roto vac with a cleaning agent, and then we're going to do a light mop here, and then we're going to do a high-speed bump. You can see this is real heavy soil right here. You can see the difference right there, before and after. And then we still have another process. It's shining just right there. We have another process where we're going to do after the mop, another high-speed clean, polish, and bump with an aggressive but gentle. This is all soil. This has not been done. So this machine is deep cleaning all the pores inside of the wood here. So this was very, very heavy soil. So here's the shine on this. This is all done, this area. And cleaned, same thing. See the shine, polished, buffed. So it saves you a lot of money. If you don't want to do the sanding and refinishing, this will definitely clean it up tremendously. You would, any floor, but mostly you would. And basically, we can put another like a poly type sealer on this and make the gloss come up, but the customer did not want that. She's selling her home and just wants to get it cleaned up, looking nice, to sell it. So this will be the next step right here. The polish. Give us a call, www.namescleaning.com, for any of your hard and soft services, cleaning and restoring. Thank you.